To encode a teacher's salary subsidy recipient, select Encode TSS Recipient in the navigation panel. Then click Encode TSS Recipient Details. On the system-generated form, encode the information needed. All fields with asterisk are required. In case the TSS recipient has no middle name, check the box under the middle name field. On the license status, for TSS recipients with license, choose License from the drop-down list and provide the following: license type, license number, license registration and date of expiry. Scanned copy of the PRC license. Scanned copy of class schedule. For TSS recipients with Certificate of Rating, choose Certificate of Rating from the drop-down list and provide the following: license type, date of issuance of Certificate of Rating, scanned copy of the Certificate of Rating, scanned copy of class schedule. The required PRC license or Certificate of Rating and class schedule can be submitted by uploading scanned copies in PDF format. Click Choose File. Select the file and click Open to attach the document. The maximum file size should be 2 MB. Click Submit. The system will display the encoded data for your review. Click Confirm to have the encoded data validated. The system will check if the name of the teacher is not yet included in the database of TSS recipients. If yes, the TSS recipient details will be saved.